Hey everybody, it's Teresa. Welcome to my channel. I have the June 2026 Potomac Beads Treasure Edition subscription box to open up with you all today. I'll put links in the description box below to the pages on the Potomac Beads website where you can go and read about both of their subscription boxes and sign up for either one of them if it's something that you're interested in. Let's see what the theme is here. Midnight Meridian. Dive into a shadowed landscape of design where the deep, inky depths of Montana blue and smoky quartz collide with the haunting shimmer of crystal AB patina. This collection invites you to explore the tension between light and dark, pairing the cold architectural gleam of liquid silver with the weathered organic soul of turquoise and olive jade cord. Every element, from the sharp metallic edge of the Athena cast wishbone to the ethereal glow of teal luster, is a stroke of moonlight intended to help you craft jewelry with a mysterious, storied soul. And on the back it has everything that's in the box. And there's a little peek. It looks like I have some stretchy string. Make some stretch bracelets. There's a little toggle clasp. So hold on and I'll get everything sorted out and I'll be back. Okay, I've got everything sorted out now, and I switched out my bead mat because that other bead mat, for some reason, my camera does not like the color of that other bead mat. It always just does weird things when I have that other bead mat out. First, I have a 13mm Athena cast simple toggle. It's really pretty. Nice size. And then next are some 11 Miyuki seed beads. The color is Montana Blue Gold Luster. It's a really pretty color of blue. And then next are some Potomac Crystal Bezeled Chatons. The color is Gold Champagne. They're 5mm. Those are really pretty, and they have 2 holes that crisscross in the back. They have a hole that goes that way, and then a hole that goes that way. They're just really, really pretty. And then next are some 4mm Potomac pearls. The color is Baby Pink. It's really, really pretty. And then next are some check glass. These didn't have a little baggie. Check glass rounds. They weren't in a little baggie, so I don't know. They look to be about 8mm, but I don't know what the color is. But they're really pretty, smooth rounds. And then next are some 2x3mm Potomac Crystal Rondelle beads. The color is Blue Zircon AB. Those are just really, really pretty. Little tiny rondelle beads. They're really, really pretty. And then next are some Athena Cast liquid silver straight tubes. They're 10 millimeters. That's really cool. Use them sort of as spacer beads or something. And then next is a Potomac crystal Rivoli. This is so pretty. It's 14 millimeters and the color is Crystal AB Patina. That's just really, really pretty. Got all kinds of colors going on in there. It's beautiful. And then next are some Athena Cast wishbone charms. Really, really cool little wishbones. And then next are some magnesite turquoise rondelle beads. They're 6 millimeters. It's a big long strand of gemstone, rondelle gemstone beads. Really, really pretty. Next are some Athena Cast Bali style spacer beads. Tibetan silver. They're 2 by 6 millimeters. It's really pretty. Next are some check glass drop beads, mixed blue swirl, 9 by 6 millimeter. And I think I must, oh, some of my little Bali spacer beads got in there. Get them out. I had a little mishap where I dropped my little tray of spacer beads, but I didn't think I dropped any on the floor, and I guess this little tray caught some of them. I think that one in there must be in there by mistake because it's different from all the rest. So I think I got a little bonus there. But of these little tiny spacer beads, drop beads, they're drilled through the top like that. To see what that one, yeah, it's drilled that way too, but I think that's an accident that one's in there. Those are really pretty. And then next are some Azuki seed beads. The color is, they're 8/0s and the color is metallic silver. It's really nice. And then next is the stretch cord I saw when I opened the box. It's 0.8 millimeters and there's 10 meters. That's really neat. Make some stretch bracelets. And then next are some quad bow beads. The color is white teal luster. And of course the quad bow beads have 4 holes. Like that. It's a really pretty color. And I'm trying to see, I didn't. Next are some round duo beads. The color is white gray luster. They're 5 millimeters. Of course, the round duo beads have 2 holes. Like that. Get that turned around there so probably see it in the tray there. See the little holes? And then last is this really pretty cording. It says Bead Tech Traditional Jade Cord. The color is olive. It's 26 inches and it's adjustable. So you can slide this along and adjust it. And this up here slides too. That's really cool. I don't know, I probably need to zoom out. You can't see it all very well if I'm so zoomed in, but it's really neat. And that's everything. So hold on, I'll get everything together in one picture and I'll be back. Okay, there's everything that came in the June 2026 Potomac Beads Treasure Edition subscription box called Midnight Meridian. Like I said, I'll leave links in the description box below to the pages on the Potomac Beads website where you can go and read about both of their subscription boxes and sign up if it's something that you're interested in. I hope you all have enjoyed this video. As always, thank you so much for joining me today. I really appreciate those of you who have subscribed to my channel and watched my videos and liked and commented on my videos. I have a website where I sell my jewelry and some grab bags of extra beads that I have. It's Teresa's Handmade Jewelry, and I'll put a link to it in the description box below in case you're interested. If you haven't, I'd really love it if you'd subscribe and hit the notification bell so you're notified when I upload a new video. So until next time, I hope y'all have a great day. Take care.